Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in theory of equations. This is the second class in theory of equation. Okay, see 5 questions we have completed and 5 more questions we will do in this class from question number 6 to 10. Okay, Eamcet 2018 question. If the sum of two roots, see normally x cube means here 3 roots will be there, but sum of 3 roots, among 3 roots, sum of 2 roots of the equation is 0, then what is pq value like that? That will p into q. What is this p? P in q. Okay. See how to proceed. See, first question I am doing this type of question. Little bit slowly I will tell. So next question onwards we will take a little bit faster manner. Okay. See here given equation how we have to write and all you observe carefully. Okay. See x cube plus px squared plus qx plus r equal to 0. See a0, a1, a2, a3. a0 is 1 here, coefficient. Okay. a1 is equal to p, coefficient of x square. Then a2 is equal to q. a3 is equal to r. a3 normally constant. See, but for whenever cubic equation is there, a3 will be constant. If it is a biquadratic equation to the power of 4, then a4 will be constant. Okay, that self-explanatory. I need not tell you much. Okay, see, now sum of these values also I am writing. You see, what is S1? S1 is equal to, see, 1 is there, you take, see, odd number minus a1 by a0. Okay. a0, a1 by a0. But see, s1 means minus you have to keep. What about s2? s2 is even number. That is why directly you take positive by a0. a2 by a0. What about s3? s3 is again odd number. Then you keep minus a3 by a0. Okay, like this you have to follow. Okay, then find s1, s2, s3 are null. See, I am finding here s1 is equal to, see, a0 is denominator 1, okay, but minus p, okay, comma, s2, a2 by a0, q by 1 is q, that's all. What about s3? s3 is equal to r, sorry, s3 is equal to minus r, okay, s3 is equal to minus r, but see, we also know S1 is equal to what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Why? Because 3 roots are there. Sum of all roots is S1. Okay. Then what about S2? S2 is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. If it is cubic equation. If it is what we can say? Biquadratic equation. Alpha beta gamma delta. Alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma delta, like that you have to write continuously. Okay, then see, we will talk about up to 3 only for this question. S3 will be what? S3 will be alpha into beta into gamma. Okay, in this way you have to write. Okay, now you see alpha plus beta plus gamma. He has given 2 roots is equal to 0. What I am writing? Let alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Why? Because he only given sum of 2 roots is 0, of that equation is 0. Okay, I have taken those 2 roots as alpha and beta. See, in first equation what I am writing, s1 is equal to 0 plus gamma, that is equal to minus p. Okay, s1 is minus p. That means here gamma value is minus p, means p value is gamma. Okay, p value is gamma. Okay, now go for here s2 also. Again I am writing, you see, s2 is equal to, you see, alpha beta beta gamma, alpha plus beta is 0. What I want to do, alpha plus beta shall I take common? Alpha plus beta. Okay, gamma is there. Okay, you see, if I take alpha plus beta, gamma is common. I taken gamma is common, then alpha plus beta. gamma alpha, gamma beta, gamma alpha, gamma beta. Why I have taken, you see, alpha plus beta is 0. Okay, wait. Yes, sir. Alpha plus beta is 0. But alpha into beta is there. Plus alpha beta. Okay? Alpha into beta plus alpha beta. Why? Because these two have taken, but alpha beta is there. This is 0. Why? Because alpha plus beta is 0 means 0 into gamma is 0. Alpha beta is equal to S2 value is how much? Q. That is equal to alpha beta. See, alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Alpha gamma is also Q has come. Okay, let it be. Okay, now you see third one also you go alpha plus b, alpha into beta into gamma. Right now, S3 is equal to alpha beta gamma. Okay, that is equal to, you see, gamma value you are having. Gamma value means, see, gamma is equal to minus p or p is equal to minus gamma. I have tried. See, gamma value is minus p. Gamma value is minus p into alpha beta you write. Okay, but alpha beta value q you are having. That is equal to minus p q. Okay, minus p into q. Minus p is there, alpha beta value is q has come. Okay, now they are asking p into q. Okay, let it be. First of all, what is minus pq? Minus pq is S3. S3 is how much? S3 is minus r. Write down minus r. If at all minus pq is minus r, then what about pq? Pq is equal to r. Understand? Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 7. The condition to be satisfied in order that one root of this equation x cube plus bx square plus cx plus t is equal to 0 is the sum of the other two roots is this condition. Actually fourth also is there, but answer is C. That is why I have not written fourth one. D. See what they have asked. First you understand clearly. What is asking? Sum of two roots is equal to third one. That means, see, shall I take alpha plus beta is equal to gamma? Okay, why? Because cubic equation is there, three roots will come. Among three roots, sum of two roots is equivalent to another root. Like that they have given. Okay, now write this equation and proceed as per last question. See what I am writing. X cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. A0 is equal to 1. Okay, A1 is equal to B. A2 is equal to C. A3 is equal to D. Okay, now go for S1. S1 is equal to minus A1 by A0, that is equal to minus B. That's all. Why? Because A0 is 1. Okay, S2. S2 is equal to plus A2 by A0. That means C. That's all. S2 is C. Okay, now go for S3. S3 is equal to minus A3 by A0. That means minus D. Minus D. Okay. Not only these, we also got another formula. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. But alpha plus beta we have taken as gamma. That is equal to gamma plus gamma. That is equal to 2 gamma. That is equal to S1. How much it has come? S1 has come minus B. S1 has come minus B. Then what about gamma? Gamma is equal to minus B by 2. See, one root you have got. Okay, now observe carefully what I am going to do. Shall I substitute this root in this equation? Definitely. Why? Because the root means x value only. X value is this, means you substitute in this equation, what will come under? You see, why? Because here they are not asking any real value or one number. They are asking like equation. You see, these are equations. These are equations. Okay, let us proceed further. See, minus b by 2, I am substituting in this equation. You see, at minus b by 2 implies, you see, minus b by 2 whole cube plus b times of minus b by 2 whole square plus c times of minus b by 2 x plus D is equal to 0. If you solve this, we are going to get the answer. Okay? If you solve this, we are going to get the answer. You see, minus B cube means minus only will come. Minus B cube by 8. But this square plus it is going to become B square into B plus B cube by 4. Okay? Okay. Now you see, minus BC by 2 into X. Wait a minute. X and all I have not. See, X how it has come? It will not come X. Why? Because in place of X only you have written. In place of C into X. X this only. Okay? Root. That is why X will not come. I have forgotten. Mistake. Okay. Now, minus BC by 2 plus D is equal to 0. Now what you have to do? You take 8 as LCM. You know very well. Why? Because 8 is bigger here. I am taking 8 as LCM. If I take 8 as LCM, minus B cube plus 2B cube 4 times minus 4BC 1 time 8 times plus 8D is equal to 0. This 8 I have multiplied that side like you think. Okay, now you see 2B cube minus B cube minus 4BC plus 8D is equal to 0. Okay, 8 you have multiplied with 0. See 4BC, no, go, yes, 4BC one side you send. See 4BC is equal to BQ plus 8D. BQ plus 8D. Is this the answer? You see 8D plus BQ or BQ plus 8D is equal to 4BC. This is the answer for your 7th question. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 8. If the roots of x cube minus 42x square plus 336x minus 512 equal to 0 are in increasing geometric progression. That means roots are in geometric progression, normal by increasing. Okay. Its common ratio is, see what is asking this, you see. See roots are like this, you see A by R, AR, geometric progression. Okay, A by R, AR. Like this only you take whenever 3 roots are there. Why? Because cubic equation. Okay. Now, are these in geometric progression? Yes, sir. What is the root? A by R, AR is the root. But if you see, what is this? If you go for multiplication, A by R into A into R, that means see A cube will come. R are going to get cancelled. That is the advantage. That is why I have asked you to take this one. Okay, see. Here nothing is there, but you take roots are like this. You see, let A is one root. Write down. Let A is one root. Why? Because see, 3 roots are there. 3 roots are there. Among 3, A is one root. If at all A is one root, see, he is asking us to find R, common ratio. R is equal to how much only he is asking. Okay? Don't forget. Now go back again. Write down like earlier question R data. You see x cube minus 42x square plus 336x minus 512 equal to 0. A0 will be 1. A1 will be minus 42. A2 will be 336. A3 will be minus 512. Minus 512. Okay? Okay. Next what I have to do? Next proceed for S1, S2. S1 is equal to minus A1 by A0. That is equal to C. Minus of minus 42 by 1. I need not write. Okay? S1 is 42. S2 is equal to A2 by A0. 336. That's all. Why? Because you need not write A0. Why? Because A0 is 1. Now go for S3 also. S3 is equal to minus A3 by A0. Minus is there, minus of minus plus 512 divided by 1. You need not write. Okay? Another formula S1 is equal to, write down. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to, you see, we have taken here A by R, that's all. Okay, write down. A by R plus A plus AR. Okay? that is equal to S1 how much has come? S1 has come 42, write down. 42. 42. Okay? Why? Because minus 42 is this, minus of minus 42. Okay, now sorry. You take LCM. R as LCM. A plus AR plus AR square. Sorry. AR square by R is equal to 42. Is it okay or not? You tell me. Definitely okay. Okay. Why? Because see, R if you take common, R else you think that AR by R. Okay, A plus AR by R is there. Again with AR you have done R square. Okay, that will come. Okay, now write down A plus AR 42R. Well, with the 42R again you can bring this side. You see A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 42R. 42R again you bring this side because here AR is there. Okay, 42R. AR square 42R minus AR. Okay, now wait. Why? Because see, we will get A value. If we get A value, then this much of headache we need not take. A value we are going to get. In S3 we are going to get A value. Wait. S1 whatever we have written until here. Okay. Now go back for S2. S2 is what? S2 is equal to 336. Write down then. S2 is equal to alpha beta. Alpha beta means what we are going to write? A by R into A plus A into AR plus AR into A by R, that is equal to A square. See, first you write S2 value. S2 value is how much? S2 value is 336. Write down 336. Okay. I think S2 value we did not find, but let us find as a general practice. A square by R plus A square into R plus A square. Why? Because see, R are going to get cancelled out. A square is equal to 336. Okay. Wait. Don't do much. You go for S3. S3 is simply alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. That is equal to this one. A by R into A into AR. R are going to get cancelled. A cube. But A cube S3 value of what? S3 value is 512. This would have done first. If at all A cube is 512, what will be the A value? 8. That's all. Why? Because 8 8s are 64. 64 8s are 512. 8 4s are 32. 8 6s are 48 plus 3 51. Okay. A cube is 512 means A is equal to 8. That 8 you substitute in this S1. S1 where? Here. Okay. S1 is equal to A. 8 plus 8R plus 8R square is equal to 42R. Okay. Now S1 you did not write again, but 8 you take common. 8 if you take common, 1 plus R square is equal to 42R. Okay. See, 4 it will not go, but 2 it will go. 2 4s, 2 21s. Okay. Again you send this 21 this side. Okay. 4 plus 4R plus 4R square minus 21R is equal to 0. Is it okay? Okay. But minus 21 plus 14. Okay. You see what I am writing? 4R square. Okay. See, minus 21 plus 4, minus 17R. Minus 17R, okay. Plus 4 is equal to 0. You see, 4 into 4, 16, but minus 17 has to come. Anything else common? No, we cannot take anything common. 4 into 4 is 16. Minus 17, how it will come? See, minus 16 into minus 1 is plus 16. Minus 16 plus minus 1 is minus 17. Okay? Proceed further then. See, 4R square minus 16R minus R plus 4 equal to 0. Then you see 4 R is common. 4R if I take common, R minus 4 will be there. Okay, 4r square minus 16r minus 16r. Okay, again r minus 4 you take common. R minus 4 I have taken common. Minus has to come. That means minus 1 you keep. Minus r plus 4. Okay, now you see 4r minus 1 equal to 0. R is equal to 4. See, r is equal to 4, directly answer is there. R is equal to 1 by 4 also correct, but 1 by 4 is not there. Okay, any one answer, if you get, then you can put. R is equal to 4 is your answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see, this question is also like earlier question only. Earlier question was geometric progression, roots are in this question, roots are in arithmetic progression. If the roots of the equation 4x cube minus 12x square plus 11x plus k equal to 0 are in arithmetic progression, then what is the value of k, like they are asking. For answers also they have given Eamcet 2004 question. Okay. Let us proceed further then. First to write equation remaining all as like earlier standard practice you do. 4x cube minus 12x square plus 11x plus k is equal to 0. A0 is 4 here. Okay. A0 is 4, A1 will be minus 12, A3 will be 11, sorry, A2 will be 11, A3 will be K. That means see A3 you have to find A3. Let us see what will happen and all. Okay, see, whenever 3 roots are there, geometric progression means A by R, like that we will take. But whenever A by R into AR, in last question. But whenever 3 roots are there, but an arithmetic progression means what you are going to do? Okay, see what I am writing. Let roots are, see how I am tackling this question. Let roots are A minus B, A plus B. Is it okay? Why? Because A plus D minus A, D will come. A minus D, again D will come. That means A minus B, A plus D. Why? S1 if you add, automatically 3A will come. That is the advantage. Okay? That is why I have written like this. Okay, now, yeah, go for what we mean say roots. Why? Because these are the roots. That means alpha is this one, beta is this one, gamma is this one. Let. Okay. Let us proceed then. S1 is equal to, write down. S1 is equal to minus A1 by A0. A0 here 4. Don't forget. Minus of minus plus 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. S1 will come 3. First we do one thing. We will add S1. We will find why, because at least something we will find. Afterwards we will see S2, S3 and all. We will find S2, S3 also, but let us see what will happen. You see, S1 is also equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to A minus B plus A plus B plus B minus B going to get cancelled, that is equal to 3A. This 3A is equivalent to 3. That means A will be 1. This is required for us. Okay? A is 1, like we know. A may be beta, alpha, gamma, whatever it may be. Let it be beta or alpha. Okay, now go back again. See, simply finding A is not going to help us. A means here what? This A, not this A. Here A is not there. A0, A1, A2, A3 are there, but A3 you have to find K means. Okay? How to find that? That means you have got beta now. Okay? Now see, don't do anything. You go for second one, S2, S3 and all. What will happen and all, you observe carefully. Okay? Let us go for S2. Okay, S2 is equal to A2 by A0. A2 is how much? 11. 11 by 4. Okay? But this 11 by 4 is what? 11 by 4 is S2 also equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That is equal to alpha beta means what you are going to do? A into A minus D plus A into A plus B plus A plus D into A minus D. A square minus B square. Okay? That is also there. Okay, S2 value do you know? Yes, sir. S2 value we know. But A value you know, see 1 into 1 minus B plus 1 into 1 plus B plus 1 square minus B square is equal to S2 value is how much? S2 value have got is 11 by 4. Okay? See 1 minus D, 1 plus D. See 2 minus D plus D going to get cancelled out. Why? Because with 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 minus D square is equal to 11 by 4. Or else shall we write 3 minus D square is equal to 11 by 4. Okay? 3 minus D square. D square you can find. Can we find D? I don't know. Let us try. D square is equal to 3 minus 11 by 4. 12 minus 11, 1 by 4. Whenever D square is equal to 1 by 4, then D will be 1 by 2. Shall I take like this? Okay? If at all D is 1 by 2, shall we go for S3 also? Or shall we conclude here only? Let me see. Well, because the answer is here only, let us see what will happen. Okay, whenever D is 1 by 2, then A3 is what? A3 is K, but wait. D can you find? Yes, sir. D. A minus D. A plus D. You see, alpha is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Beta you know when gamma is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. Okay? 3 by 2. Let it be. But let us go for S3 also. S3 is equal to plus A3 by A0. Sorry, minus A3 by A0. Minus A3 means A3 how much? Minus K by 4. Okay, minus K by 4 is there. But what is it? S3. S3 is alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. That is equal to, you see, write down this. A minus B into A plus B. That is equal to, you see, A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. A square minus B square into A. That is equal to A value, you know, 1. 1 minus B square into 1. That means 1 minus D square, that's all. See, 1 minus D square is minus K by 4. D value I have got, don't forget it. 1 minus D square. See, D square value I have got 1 by 4. That means, you see, shall I write 1 minus 1 by 4? That is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Okay? See, S3 value you have got 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is equal to, see, minus K by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. 4 you cancel. See, minus K is 3 means K means minus 3. Okay? K value minus 3. See, this is not plus 3. This is minus 3. Okay? Minus 3 only correct. Take this, we will go for next question. Okay. See, this question also in geometric progression. See how I am tackling this question. If the roots of the equation x cube plus 3p x square, you see, 3p is coefficient, 3q is coefficient, minus 8 equal to 0, or in geometric progression, then q cube by p cube. Value they are asking. Eamcet 2007. Okay. See what I am writing. Let roots are geometric progression means what you are going to take. Let roots are alpha, beta, gamma is equal to a by r comma a comma ar. Okay. See. S3 will be what? Why? Because cubic equation. S3 will be a by r into ar. A cube. S3 will be a cube. Okay. Now find S3. Shall I write directly S3? S3 minus A3 by A0. Minus of minus 8 by A0 1. That means S3 is equal to 8. That is equal to A cube. A will be 2. A value I have got directly. Okay? Okay. See, if you are watching only this question, you don't understand. You please watch previous questions also. Why? Because 1, 2, 3 steps I have jumped. Okay. S3 means A value you have got. A value if you get automatically, R value you don't know. But you see Q cube by P cube they are asking. Let us proceed further then. You see S3 you need not write, but you can write that one. What I want to say. S3 also you can write. S3 A is equal to 2 has come, but S3 let me see what will happen now. S3 is equal to this is one way of writing. Another way is alpha into beta into gamma. But A0 by A0, that also have I written? No, not written. Na? S3. S3 is see minus A3 by A0. This you have not written. Have you written? Yes, this one you have written. Minus A3 by. Okay, that is why we need not write this again S3. Go for S1. S1. S1 is minus A1 by A0. Minus 3p by A0 is 1. That means minus 3p, that's all. Okay, A0 is 1. Minus 3p. What is this SP? SP is this one. A plus A by R. A by R plus A plus AR is equal to minus 3p. Okay. But A value you know. Then you substitute A value. 2 by R. Shall we do one thing? See, one root. Have you get one root at least? Yes, sir. A is equal to 2 is one root. Then you substitute, na? That is also there. Why should we bother? Let me do. See, A is equal to 2 means A is one root. A is one root. See, A by R, R roots. Beta. A is beta. One root you have got 2. Then you substitute directly. You see, x cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx minus 8 equal to 0 implies at the rate x is equal to 2. Why? Because 2 one root. 2 cube plus 3p into 2 square plus 3q into 2 minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. If that is the case, see plus 8 minus 8 going to get cancelled out. Okay. Then you see 2 square means 4 into 3, 12p, 6q is equal to 0. Okay. Or else 12p is equal to minus 6q. 6 2 times it will go. You require q by p, na? Okay. That means you see minus q by p is equal to 2. Q goes this side. Minus q by p is equal to 2. Or else q by p is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Then what will be the cube? Q cube by p cube is equal to minus 2 whole cube. That is equal to minus 8. Understand the logic? Okay, here plus 8 is also not there for confusion also. Okay. Now we do one thing. We will stop this class and we will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.